never thought that I could lead a team, but now I know that I can.
I wasn't aware how disconnected I was emotionally. After the MITT training, I realized that connection was so easy, and all I had to do was open my heart.
Before MITT, I thought I could get by in life with skill only, with knowledge, intelligence. But now I know what really works is leading from my heart.
Going through the MITT training, I really was able to focus on the things that I would like to achieve.
I'm an attorney.
I own multiple businesses.
I'm an entrepreneur.
I am a business IT consultant. I was undeserving of wealth, thought I was gonna be stuck at my 5-figure income forever. I thought that it was knowledge and power that was gonna bring me everything I wanted. But now I know it's people, it's connection, it's relationships. Love.
People call me DH already, but just the Damon Haley's boring. I had gone through it all my life. It's about thinking of yourself in your best self and taking chances, risking, and being okay with failure, but being more okay with infinite success. And so that's what the DH baby is all about.
I took the trainings because I thought it was going to be a bar course to pass the California bar. I come in and I realized it was nothing about the bar, but it was all about life. And you know what? It did help me pass because I walked into that exam so confident that I have told all fellow aspiring attorneys, you need to take this.
The MITT training showed me my true self, what I'm capable of, connection, developing relationships, and that there's always more.